discussing homework. Morning, Jyoti. Okay, we start with 6.1c. Okay, question number 1. The diagram on the right shows a circle with center O. Determine the value of x, y, and z. So, the value of x equals to 40. Both are angle at circumference. So, the value of y, this is value at the center. So, twice angle at circumference. So, value angle of y equals to 40 times 2, which is 80. And the value of z, since this is radius, so this is isosceles triangle. So here also z. So to calculate the angle of z, 180 minus angle at center 80, then divide by 2. Answer is 50. So please mark your answer now. If you have any question, please ask. Okay, next, question number 2. Given that the length of arc PQ equals to QR and major angle POQ equals to 310, calculate the value of x, y, and z. So first, calculate the value of x. Since this is a whole circle, so x equals to 360 minus 310, which is 50. Next, you can calculate this angle. So this angle equals to 50 divided by 2, because this angle at the circumference. Center at center 50. So angle at center 50. So angle at circumference 50 divided by 2 equals to 25. Okay, this angle also 25. Why? Because QR and PQ have the same length, so the angle have the same value. So Z equals to 25 plus 25, or 25 times 2 equals to 50. To calculate the value of Y, since PO and OQ radius, so this is isosceles triangle. So here also Y. So Y equals to 180 minus 50 divided by 2. So this is the answer for number 2. Next, question number 3. Calculate the value of x, y, and z. So first you can calculate the value of x, which is 360 minus 250 equals to 110. Then y is the angle at circumference. So x is double y. So y equals to 110 divided by 2. The value of z, angle here is twice this angle. So z equals to 250 divided by 2 equals to 125. Next, question number 4. Determine the value of PQR. So angle at Q. PQR. So angle at here. So how to calculate this angle? First, you need to calculate this angle, because this angle twice angle at Q. So this angle 360 minus 112. Then after you get this angle, you divide by 2 to calculate the value of Q. So 360 minus 112 divided by 2 equals to 124. So angle at Q is 124. Next, angle UST. Here is UST. So we want to calculate this angle. Okay, this angle from arc PT. So first you need to calculate this angle. Wait, I use different color it's easy for you to see. So first you have to calculate this angle, because this angle twice angle at circumference. So how to calculate this angle? Since this is straight line, so this angle equals to 180 minus 112. Once you get this angle, then you divide by 2, you'll get this angle. So this angle equals to 34. Okay, next, angle RTS. RTS. So angle here. Here is RTS. So how to calculate this angle? First, you need to calculate this angle. This angle equals to 180 minus 88. Okay, Najiha. Okay, continue. Okay, once you get this angle, you can use this triangle TUS. So 180 minus 34 minus this angle. So 180 minus 180 minus 88 minus 34 equals to 54. So angle here 54 degree. Okay, that's all for mind test 6.1C. Any question before we proceed to another exercise?
Teacher.
Any question, girls?
No, teacher.
Nothing, teacher.
Okay, thank you for response. So we proceed to another exercise, which is 6.1D. So based on the diagram below, calculate the value of y. So since this is equal length of arc, so the angle also equal. So y equals to 45. So for B, the angle have equal size, mean the length of arc also same. So y equals to 5 cm. C, same, the angle are equal, so the length of arc also equal, so y equals to 10 cm. Next D, as you can see, the length of arc here is double, so angle here reduced by half. So y equals to 110 divided by 2, which is 55 degree. Next, question number 2. Determine the value of x. So PQ and AB have the same length of arc. So angle at circumference, angle at center here, twice angle at circumference. So x equals to 80 divided by 2. Because here angle at center, here angle at circumference. So angle at circumference reduced by half. So you need to divide by 2 in order to calculate the value of x. Next, the same angle has the same value of x. So this angle have the same value as x, because here also the angle at the circumference. Since this is radius, so angle at here also equals to x. So you have two answer, which is ORQ and OQR. Both have the same value of angle as at. Question number 3. The diagram on the right shows a circle with center O. It is given that arc CD is 10 cm, already um, in the diagram. Angle BOD equals to 160 here. If the length of arc BCD equals to 2CD, so main C is the midpoint, and angle FEG is Y equals to 1 over 4 BOD, determine the value of Y. So angle BOD, we know that is 160. So to calculate FEG, 1 over 4 times 160. So the answer is 40. So angle at Y here is 40. So ada typing error in your question. So the question should be the value of, because the Y is the angle. So the unit for angle is degree, not cm. So B, the length of arc in cm. As you can see here, C, angle COD, this angle is 80. Angle here 40. Mean angle at here is twice angle at Y. So that length of CD equals to FG. Okay, so X equals to 10. Any question, girls?
No, teacher.
No,
Okay,
teacher.
thank you for responding.
No, teacher.
So that's all for exercise 6.1D. So now we proceed to new subtopic. Which is part 3. Okay, so the angle at circumference of circle subtended by the diameter is 90 degree. So if you have diameter POR, then there is the angle at the circumference. The value at here is 90 degree. So have a look at this example. The diagram below shows a circle with center O, where points P, Q, R, and S lie on the circumference of the circle, given that PR and QS are diameter. So calculate the value of Y. So the value of, okay, Y. So here POR is diameter. So here is 90. Just now I said to you, angle at circumference 90. So X equals to, okay, here also 90. Why? Because QOS also diameter. QS also diameter as mentioned in the question. So X equals to 90 divided by 2, which is 45. So angle at here 45. Now you can calculate y by using triangle QSR. So y equals to 180 minus 90 minus 45, which is equals to 45. Okay, this is your homework. Mind test 6.1e. Next, we proceed to last objective for today's lesson. Solve problems involving angles in circle. So have a look at this example. Determine the value of angle QSR. So look at the diagram. QSR. QSR is here. So you need to use all that you have learned to solve this question. Since OS equals to OR, because both are radius, so angle here equals to here. So let's say this is A. So here also A. First, you need to calculate this angle, which is 180, since this is straight line. 180 minus 50 is 130. So to calculate A, 180 minus 130 divided by 2. So A equals to 25. So this is the answer for A. So next, angle PQS PQS. So angle at here. So you know SOQ is a diameter. So angle at circumference here is 90. Then the angle at here is 25, because PQ have the same length as QR. So PQ have the same length as QR. So if QR here is 25, here also 25. So to calculate this angle, 180 minus 90 minus 25. Here is 90. 180 minus 90 minus 25 equals to 65. So this is your second homework. Mind test 6.1F. Okay, that's all. So before we end our class, do you have any question, girls?
No, teacher.
No, teacher.
Okay,
No,
thank you,
teacher.
Afif and Najiha, also Fatiha Ayuni. If you don't have any question, so you can start doing your homework now. And please submit your homework for 6.1C and 6.1D. So now we end our class. Thank you, girls.
Thank
Thank
you,
you, teacher.
teacher.
You're welcome.